You want to stay cool when you're feeling hot, but running your air conditioner all day costs a lot. Fans are bulky and just blow hot air in your face. There has to be a better way to cool down your place. Introducing Arctic Air, the personal space cooler that turns hot spaces into cool, refreshing places for just pennies a day. Whether you want to cool off in a hot kitchen or stay nice and comfy watching TV, Arctic Air lets you create your own personal comfort zone. Just add water and press the button. Then relax and enjoy the cooling breeze. Look, portable air conditioners take up so much space and have to vent out a window. But Arctic Air is self-contained and lightweight, so now you can have cool, clean air anywhere. Even the intense heat of this blow dryer reads at 96 degrees, but with Arctic Air, it's a comfortable 72. The secret is HydroChill technology that uses an evaporative air cooling filter that pulls in hot air and instantly transforms it into cool, refreshing air. The digital thermostat gives you precise control, and the 2-speed fan is whisper quiet, up to 8 hours on just one filling. And there's even a soothing nightlight. What a great way to cool off your bedroom without air conditioning your entire home. Arctic Air also purifies and humidifies your air, so it's better for you and your family. Plus, you can even beat the heat outdoors and enjoy a cool, refreshing breeze even on the hottest day.